Hello students, welcome back. Now in this episode we will study this exercise 13.5. मेनली अभी इसमें क्या वॉल्यूम्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइडल. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड that will be equals to length into width into height, and this unit of volume is meter cube or centimeter cube. So we can write this is in the cubic units, and similarly for the volume of a cube, this will be equals to side cube, or we can call it as L cube also. This is same as the cubic units. Now there are some more relations, you should make note of it. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters, and 1000 centimeter cube will be equals to 1 liter. So these relations need to be kept in the mind, because बहुत जगह ये सारे relations यूज होंगे. So with the start to this exercise now, coming to the question number 1. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes? So अभी dimensions हमें already दिया हुआ है. Dimensions are given. So length of matchbox, so this is given to us, this is 4 centimeter. Similarly, width of matchbox, this is given as 2.5 centimeter, and height is given to us. So height of the matchbox, this is 1.5 centimeters. So volume of matchbox will be, so matchbox, this is in the cuboidal shape, so volume will be length into width into height. So this will be 4 into 2.5 into 1.5, so this will be equals to 15 centimeter cube. So unit का हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स यूनिट्स में मिस्टेक करते हैं. एरिया लिखा होता है वहाँ पे क्यूब कर देंगे, और वॉल्यूम निकालना है तो वहाँ पे एरिया की यूनिट रख देते हैं. वॉल्यूम इज ऑलवेज इन द क्यूबिक यूनिट, वेयर इज एरिया इज इन द स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम फॉर 12 सच बॉक्सेस. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ 12 boxes, so this will be equals to 12 into volume of one box, so this will be 180 centimeter cube. So we got the volume of these boxes. Similarly, coming to question number 2. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long. Length is given to us, this is 6 meter, and this width is given, this is 5 meters, and height or depth, this is the same thing, so this is given as 4.5 meters. So how many liters of water it can hold? So first of all we will find out the volume. So this is the volume of water tank. So this is in the cuboidal shape, so again volume of the cuboidal shape will be equals to length into width into height. So this will be, length is given 6 into width is 5 into 4.5. So this we can calculate, this will be equals to 135 meter cube, because all the dimensions are meters, so it will be in the meter cube. Now we know the relation, just we have discussed. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. So 1 meter cube is 1000 liters. Therefore, volume of tank in liters. So this is equals to 135 into 1000. So we'll multiply. This will be 135 and 30 liters. So this is the volume of the water tank. Now coming to question number 3. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high it must be made to hold 380 cubic meter of a liquid? So length is already given to us. Length is given as 10 meters and width is given 8 meters. Now we need to find out the height or depth, and volume is already given to us. So volume is 380 cubic meters, meter cube. Now we know the volume of cuboid. This is equals to length into width into height. So here the volume is 380. So this is equals to length is 10 into width is 8 into height we need to find out. So h will be equals to 380 divided by 10 into 8. 0 0 cancelled. So on simplification this can be as 4. This is 19. So we got 19 by 4, or we can simplify it. So this will be 4.75 meters. So depth is equals to 4.75, or how high this is, height is to be find out. So we can write it height. So height is 4.75 meters. Now coming to question number 4. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of 30 rupees per meter cube. So length is already given to us. So length is 8 meter and width is given 6 meters and depth or height this is given as 3 meters. So we need to find out the volume first. So volume of cuboidal pit, this is equals to length into width into height. So this will be equals to 8 into 6 into 3. So we got the volume. So this will be 144 meter cube. Now the cost of digging. So this is now volume into the rate given to us. So volume is 144 into rate. Rate is given as 30 rupees per meter cube. So on multiplication this will be 4, 3 and 20 rupees. So we got the cost of digging the pit. This is 4,320 rupees. So now coming to question number 6. A village having the population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meters. For how many days will the water in this tank last? So first of all we will find out the volume of the water required per day. So water required per day by 4,000 persons. So this will be equals to 4,000 means number of persons into the water required per day. So 150 liters is required by 1 person per day. So total requirement of the water by 4,000 persons. So it will be 4,000 into 150. So we can find out 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros at it, and this is now 60. So this much water is required. Now if we want to make it into the meter cube, so the volume of water required by 4,000 persons in one day. So this can be equals to 60, then 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros divided by 1000, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is equals to 600 meter cube. So this is now 600 meter cube required. Now the volume of tank, this is length into width into height. So volume of tank, the length, width, height already given to us. So this is 20 into 15 into 6. So on multiplication, this will be now 1800 meter cube. So this is the volume of the tank. So number of days the water will last. So this will be equal to, now this total volume is available in the tank. 1800 मीटर क्यूब क्या है, वॉल्यूम टैंक का है. सो इतना मीटर क्यूब वाटर क्या है, टैंक में अवेलेबल है. और एक दिन में कितना चाहिए, 600 मीटर क्यूब चाहिए. तो ये वाटर कितने दिन तक चलेगा, 600 एक दिन तक चाहिए. टोटल अवेलेबल क्वांटिटी कितना, 1800. सो 1800 डिवाइडेड बाय 600 विल गिव यू द आंसर. सो नंबर ऑफ डेज विल बी the volume of tank divided by volume of water per day. So per day अभी volume of water कितना 600 है, volume of tank is 1800. So this is 1800 divided by 600. So this will be equals to 3 days. So we got, means for how many days water of this tank will last. So the water of tank will last for 3 days. So this is our answer. So first of all we found the water requirement by complete population in one day. सो एक पर्सन कितना लेता है, 150 लीटर्स इंटू 4000. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पर्सन 4000. सो दिस मच लीटर्स ऑफ द वाटर रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ दिस लीटर्स हैज टू बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मीटर क्यूब. सो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे, बिकॉज आई कैन राइट हियर 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 लीटर्स. सो अभी हमने लीटर्स को मीटर क्यूब में बनाया, तो क्या किया, 1000 से डिवाइड किया, 600 मीटर क्यूब आ गया. वाटर टैंक का वॉल्यूम निकाल दिया, तो वाटर टैंक का वॉल्यूम डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल वॉल्यूम रिक्वायर्ड पर डे विल गिव यू द नंबर ऑफ डेज. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7th. A godown measures 40 meters, 25 meters and 15 meters. Find the number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter into 1.25 into 0.5 meters that can be stored in the godown. So number of wooden crates, it is given by number of wooden crates. This is equals to volume of godown divided by volume of one crate. So this will be equals to volume of the godown. The dimensions of the godown already given to us. So this is 40 into 25 into 15 divided by 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, इसमें सबसे पहले वॉल्यूम निकाल लेते हैं, फिर डिवाइड करते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे सजेस्ट करूँगा आप वॉल्यूम नहीं निकालो, क्योंकि जितनी चीज़ें फैक्टर्स के फॉर्म में रहेंगी आपको कैंसिलेशन में ईजी पड़ेगा. तो फालतू में आप पहली बार मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, हो सकता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन कुछ एरर हो जाए और आपको टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होगा, और प्लस दूसरी बार में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, हो सकता है उसमें कुछ मिस्टेक्स हो जाए, फिर डिवाइड करोगे. तो इसलिए बेटर है इनको सबको ऐसे ही रहने दो, और यहीं से कैंसिलेशन अभी हम करते हैं. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू नाउ दिस 40 इंटू 25 इंटू 15. अभी यहाँ पे एक डेसिमल है, एक प्लेस वार डेसिमल है, तो अभी हमने 10 लिख दिया. यहाँ पर 2 प्लेस वार डेसिमल है तो 100 लिख दिया, और यहाँ पर एक प्लेस का डेसिमल है इसलिए 10 लिख दिया. नाउ डिवाइडेड बाय, ये सारा डेसिमल हट गया अभी, 15, 125 एंड दिस इज नाउ 5 इटसेल्फ. ये तो अभी ये डेसिमल हटा के अभी हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, जीरोज को कर दिया. नाउ 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10 एंड 5 3 जा 15, 5 8 जा 40. नाउ 25 1 ja, 25 5 ja, 5 1, 5 3, 3 3 cancelled. So now this is equals to, now we can multiply this. So this will be now 8 into 2, 16. So this is now 16,000. So number of wooden crates. So number of wooden crates is equals to 16,000. So now coming to question number 8. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into the 8 cubes of equal volumes. So what will be the side of the new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. So first of all, volume. Now a solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into the 8 cubes of equal volume. So first of all, we will find the volume of bigger cube. Volume of bigger cube, this will be equals to the side cube. So this is equals to 12 का cube करेंगे अभी. So this will be now 12 into 12 into 12. So this we got a solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes. So this is now given. Now this volume is equals to the volume of the 8 cubes. So now we can write volume of 8 cubes. So this will be equals to now 8 into a cube. So the volume of the 8 cubes will be 8 a cubes, where a is the side of a smaller cube. A is the side of the smaller cube. So now we will find out this side. So 8a cube, this will be equal to the total volume 12 into 12 into 12. So now we can find out. So a cube will be equals to 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 8. So this will be 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja, then 2 1 ja 2, 6 times. So this a cube will be equals to, this is 3 into 6 into 12. So a cube can be written as 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. So now we can summarize this. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So making it as a cube root. So this will be now taking 1 1 from this pairs. So a will be equals to 2 into 3. So this is now 6. So we got a as 6 centimeter. So the side of a smaller cube is 6 centimeter. So we got the side for the smaller cube as 6 centimeter. Also find the ratio of their surface areas. So now the surface area of curved surface area of smaller cube divided by curved surface area of larger cube. So this will be equals to now 6a square divided by 6a square. So 6 cancelled. So CSA of smaller. So this will be equals to now a square. So this is, we can take this smaller, actually this is now small a and this is capital A, we can take up a square and a square. So small a, this is now 6 square divided by capital A means the side of the bigger cube, this is 12. So this will be now 12 square. So this is 6 into 6 divided by 12 into 12. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja 6 1 ja 6 2 ja. So we got this is as 1 by 4. So CSA of smaller ratio CSA of a smaller cube to the CSA of larger cube. So this is equals to 1:4. So we got the CSA ratios also. Now coming to question number 9th. A river 3 meter deep. So depth of the river, depth is already given 3 meter and width is given as 40 meters, is flowing at the rate of, so flow rate of river, this is 2 kilometers per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? So now we'll find out the distance traveled in 1 minute. So distance traveled in 1 minute. So this will be equals to now 2 kilometers को अभी हम meters में बनाएंगे. So 2 into 1000 divided by per hour. Per hour means this is 60 minutes. So 0 cancelled. 2 1 जा 2 3 जा. So this is now 100 by 3 meters. So this is now distance traveled in 1 minute. Why the water? So the length of the section of river. So this is equals to now 100 by 3 meters. So suppose one river is flowing. Suppose अभी हमने एक river को लिया हुआ इस तरह से. This is now river. If this is flowing, so अभी इसकी स्पीड दिया हुआ अभी हमें 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो अभी 1 मिनट में सपोज यहाँ से यहाँ तक का वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ट्रेवल करेगा. सो दिस कंप्लीट विल गिव यू द लेंथ. सो लेंथ टेबल, इसलिए अभी हमने क्या निकाला, 1 मिनट में जो निकाला हुआ है डिस्टेंस टेबल इन 1 मिनट. सो दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस सेक्शन. सो अभी इस लेंथ को अभी हम यूज करेंगे वॉल्यूम निकालने के लिए. सो देयरफॉर वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर in 1 minute. So this will be equals to now length into width into height. So length is already given 10 by 3 into width is already given to us. This is 40 and depth, height or depth is the same thing. So this is into 3. 3 got cancelled. So this is now 4000 meter cube. So this is 4000 meter cube with the volume. So now we can write, so the volume of water in 1 minute. So volume of water that will fall into the sea in 1 minute is 4000 meter cube. सो सबसे पहले अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें लेंथ को निकालेंगे, बिकॉज लेंथ नहीं दिया हुआ कि वाटर के वॉल्यूम निकालने के लिए. तो लेंथ इज द वाटर मीन्स द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इन 1 मिनट. सो अभी रिवर की स्पीड ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, दिस इज 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो इसको अभी हम क्या करेंगे, मीटर पर मिनट में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. सो मीटर पर मिनट में जो भी आएगा दैट विल बी द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इन 1 मिनट. सो सभी लेंथ मिल गया मुझे. सो लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट, वी गॉट दिस वॉल्यूम. So we have finished our exercise 13.5. Thank you. Okay students, I hope अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.